Hey, little buddy. You want to help me do a class today? Want to do a little bit of forging? I say yes, he says no. Okay. Well, thanks for the help. Whoo! Hey guys, Anson here from Ivey's Homestead. So it is Christmas Eve. Yep, just got off work. Hey, some of us got to work. You know, it's essential personnel. It is what it is. Yeah, I do have tomorrow off though, so that's a plus. I know there are going to be some people that are going to have to work Christmas Day, and hey, I was in the military for 20 years. I know all about it. So here we go once again, a vlog. Like, dang, Anson, that's all you've been doing is vlogging and driving and talking on base with these bumpy roads. I know it is what it is. So, biggest reason why I'm coming in. So tomorrow we are going to be going live to announce the 1,000 subscriber giveaway winner. So as of right now, I'm only going to be doing one winner. I only got the blacksmith project that I'm doing. Like I said, it's just a little camp set of like the little tripod. Or if it's not necessarily the tripod, you can also set up to where it is two stakes with almost like the spit, right, going across, and you can hang hooks from it. But it's going to be a smaller one, so you can't really hang a whole lot of stuff from it. It's more just a single person type thing. If you're out doing like a solo trip, camping, whatever. Obviously, it could be used for multiple people if you wanted to. You're just going to have to do one or possibly two little things at a time. It's going to take a little longer to cook from it, type stuff, right? And then I got the two paintings that Gladys had done, and those are a match set. Kind of like a before and after type thing, and I have shown those before. One is a nice serene little feather that is beautiful, and it actually has texture to it. So if you actually, once you see it in person, you'll notice that it's not just a flat canvas painting. It actually has a texture, and the feather actually pops out from the canvas itself. And then after that, you have the arrow. So you have the calmness before, and then the hatred and the evil that comes from it, right? Which is an arrow. Arrow causes harm to people or to things, right? And the arrows on those are made in the same way that the other one was, so it has texture to it. It actually pops off of the canvas. So I'm also going to go ahead and show a little bit of some footage, because we had a class, right? I actually had a guy come out by the name of Gary. He is Army/Navy veteran. He came out and did a little bit of blacksmithing with me. He's a little limited with some of the things that he can do, right? Just because of pains and aches and groans and things of that nature, which is to be expected whenever you have a disabled veteran. Okay, and those are some of the things I'm gonna have to work with, and some of the things that I'm getting the equipment to be able to help facilitate easier, you know, to show them that, hey, this is something that you can do without hurting yourself, for one. And, you know, just take your time with it. It gives you that outlet, something to do, you know, especially for the guys and gals that suffer from PTSD. It gives you, you know, something to get your mind off that subject. All right. So I did not get, so the big thing that I was going to be doing with Gary was 360-degree video, because he is actually a trusted photographer slash videographer for Google Maps. He doesn't get paid for it. It's just something that he goes out and does. He does hike trails. To do such things, he has specialized shoes that he wears for comfort, and he will go out and he'll do that. And it's one of the things that he also does as an outlet to get his mind off of things that he doesn't want to think about. Okay, as a veteran, you know, for a lot of the veterans that do suffer from PTSD and just other things. All right, you understand. All right, so make sure you're getting into the video. I'll have linked down in the description to get into the giveaway. Right, there is that certain word that you're having to put in there. Probably read through the comments and figure it out. It is my favorite character of all time, and yes, he is sitting on my coal forge and watches me work. Woo! All right, it is blustery, it is windy, the storm is coming. All right, so you probably hear the wind kicking. It's gonna be blustery. But all this wind's coming up out of the south, so it's actually brought a lot of heat with it. And it's almost 70 degrees right now. But once all this is past, we have a lot of cold that's coming with it. It's on the backside. So, yeah, we're getting prepared for that. All right, so as of right now, okay, obviously I need to do a beard up challenge video. I have not been able to do one yet for this month, but you can see it's coming in rather nicely. I will link also down in the description the videos and stuff for that, right? If you want to go back to the beginning or a playlist, you can check those out, right? Make sure you go in and check out the other channels, right? Everyone is part of all that stuff. Many other things that are coming, right? Other challenges that are going to be coming up. It's awesome. The class for the veteran, the free classes for the veterans for blacksmithing, those I'm going to be doing one a month for right now, because I'm still working, I'm still doing that stuff, and it's winter time, it's cold, we're outside. Okay, and I'll also talk about some of this other stuff tomorrow for our live show. Right, I'm trying to do right around 6 o'clock, right, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's our standard time that we normally do our occasional Tuesday live. Okay. So I'm going to be doing that. We're announcing a 1K giveaway. If someone else is live during that time, there's probably going to be many other people that are live. It's Christmas Day. Okay. Or you spend time with family. That's cool. If you're not going to show up, you do not have to be present to win. Okay. You do not have to be present to win. As long as you put your name into that video, you're good to go. All right. If it's for whatever reason you put your name in, I'm going to be looking for that specific word. And let's say that you don't want the giveaway, that's fine. Just let me know, and I will send it off to someone else, or we'll pick someone else. All right. You will have 1 week. All right. So after tomorrow, one week to be able to claim your prize, basically. If I haven't heard from you, or I don't have your address or a way of getting a hold of you, then I'm gonna have to pick someone else. All right. So please try to come in and contact me after you've won. All right. So that's all I got for this one. And remember to go out, thank the veteran, and Merry Christmas, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye now.